Good morning. I got a fly fishing pro tip for you. When you're in a situation that I'm in right now, you can see I'm standing on the edge. It's deep right over here, so I can't go any further out. There's this brush that's way over my head, right behind me, and the hole is over there. I need to get over there. So I want to give you a pro tip on casting, right? Cast parallel to the river. And then on your final delivery, point the rod tip where you want the fly to go. So cast parallel to the river. I usually water load. And then on your last cast, point your rod tip that way. That was about a 45-degree angle, and I got 2/3 away across the river. And a lot of times that is enough. See? Had a fish hit it there. All right, do it again here. Parallel to the river, parallel to the river. Last cast, point your rod. That was good. That was more like about 50 degrees. All right, everybody, I hope that helps you the next time you're out fishing your favorite river. All right, everybody, so the next time, fish on.